Hello my friend, this is Rahul Virgo live at the White House on South Lawn, and you can see President Trump is leaving now. You can see behind me for Canada, for Calgary, for G7 financial meetings or richest G7 richest on the globe who make the decisions how to run the financial countries, how to run the countries, and they are the powerful countries, G7 we call, and Prime Minister Modi is also among them, will be there in Canada, and they might meet President Trump, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi might have a meeting there in Canada at the G7 on sidelines. And this is the Oval Office behind me. You can see President's office right there. And once again, this is Raghuveer Goyal live here at the White House, and you can see this is the President's office. This is the President's office right there behind me, South Lawn. This is the Oval Office of the President on the South Lawn, and also Rose Garden, and also this is the President's house upstairs. This is the house of the President, balcony. You can remember when President Trump and President Biden other came, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they stood there at the balcony, and right there is the helicopter of the President where he will be leaving soon here from the South Lawn of the White House, and they will be going to Calgary, Canada. President Trump might meet on the sideline with the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and you can see the office right there behind me. And you can see his office lights are there on, and President is right there in his office, and he will be coming around the corner through his home and to the helicopter right there. And once again, we are here at the White House, and President is about to leave the White House. He is about to leave, and coming soon. Once again, this is Raghuveer Goyal on the South Lawn of the White House, and President Trump. And after celebrating his 79th birthday yesterday, and the 250 years of U.S. Army anniversary or birthday of the U.S. Army yesterday was a great day and big day in Washington, on the Washington streets. U.S. superpower was on the streets of Washington, rolling down all the tanks and military alteration, and also hundreds of thousands of military and also hundreds of thousands of the U.S. military. And happy birthday, Mr. President, and happy birthday, the U.S. Army. And once again, yesterday, President celebrated his birthday and the U.S. Army. And once again, this is the President's office, Oval Office, and this is the President's home. And now President is leaving right there behind me.